This Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger Hemi made in 1/218 scale by Highway 61. So if you like those American Mopars, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like and your comments below, and to click bell for news. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. And here we have the Dart Swinger made by Highway 61 on a 1/18 scale. As we take a look at the front of this car, we can see that this front grille is very well detailed. This front is very well detailed indeed. Scoop through which we can see the Hemi engine inside, the clips that hold the hood down. It's a lift-off hood made in fiberglass in a real car. This grille, which is very well made. This mesh is perfect and very realistic. The front fender with all details, wheels and tires that look very nice. They're very nice looking. The Chrysler pinstripe, the antenna that moves up and down. And as we open the passenger door, we can take a look at the interior, which is made in black and very well made indeed. And this is a standard interior of a Dart Swinger we're used to seeing, and we've seen some other darts before we've seen in this one, but it's quite different from the yellow Dart because that one is a little bit lighter than this one. The front seats, the carpet and the rubber mat on the floor, the dashboard, which is perfect, the central console, the seats that tilt, and the back seat, which is not present in that yellow Dart I've shown before. Just like I told you, seats adjust too, so this is a very nice feature by Highway 61. Doors open and close correctly, and this car really looks nice in the silver color. The rear end, which looks pretty much clean, just like the Dart Swinger, has no trim, and the tail lights here are the 1968 tail lights. I don't know why exactly. And as we open the trunk, we can take a look at this Dodge Dart trunk, which is very well made, with a battery in the back, a floor mat, which would be just like any other Darts, and the factory stickers, so all details are here. It's a Dart Swinger, as I said before, stripe, Dart Swinger stripe, and the blinker, stripe that goes all the way around, just like the other Darts. And as we open the driver's door, steering wheel, the horizontal scale, dashboard, speedometer, and a dashboard, which is made with perfection. We can see the carpet, a central console is an automatic transmission, and the pedals, seat belts, and the seat that tilts just like the other one. One more look at the back seat and the inside panels, seat belts and stuff. And the driver's door, which also closes correctly. And looking underneath the car, we can see that the base is just like the other Mopars, is a unibody. So the engine, the Hemi engine, made in Hemi orange. The mufflers, which are a little bit shorter, the slick tires in the rear, and the thin tires in the front look very nice. And the tire grain is perfect, really. Drive shaft that turns. Front suspension, the exhaust manifold. So this car looks really very nice. It's a very nice car to have in a collection. Now let's unclip this hood so we can take a better look at the engine. I always use those needle nose pliers so I can unclip the hood more easily than using tweezers, for instance. I'm really worried about, concerned about those clips that they might fly off when you're trying to get them out. They're a little bit hard to do, so always be very careful when you do that. And since I took the clips off, we can see it's a very tiny clip, so must be careful. And we lift the hood off and take a look at this fantastic Hemi engine. This hood is made of plastic in this car. The Hemi engine is really perfect. We can see the alternator right there with the belt, the cables, the double carburetor, probably a couple 4 barrels, and the other components that are supposed to be in here, a brake system, the reservoir, factory sticker, The engine bay itself, which is very well made, is all made in black. Radiator and radiator cap and hose, and the horn, the front panel, and all details are supposed to be here. So details in this car are really very well made. This car is really fantastic. So it's a very nice Dart to have in a Dodge Dart collection or Mopar collection, a muscle car collection as a whole. And this hood is made of plastic, so it really simulates a fiberglass hood that it's used in a real car. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like and your comments below. And as usual, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.